Which of these patients have allergic airway inflammation? Several underlying diseases can present symptoms similar to asthma. Therefore, a correct diagnosis relies on establishing whether or not the patient is characterized by allergic airway inflammation. Monitoring asthma symptoms is important, but correct interpretation of the underlying inflammation determines the therapy. Measuring exhaled nitric oxide provides an immediate answer to 3 critical questions. 1. Which patients with nonspecific or multiple respiratory symptoms have allergic airway inflammation? 2. Is the patient adhering and responding to the prescribed therapy? 3. Has there been a change in allergen exposure? The NioxMino Airway Inflammation Monitor from Erkentt is the only calibration and maintenance-free device available for measuring exhaled nitric oxide. All values are quality assured, meaning that you get values you can rely upon. This is extensively documented in a number of clinical papers. In just a few years, NioxMino has become the most widely used device for monitoring airway inflammation. Millions of tests have been performed in clinical and research settings. All major pharmaceutical companies use NioxMino in their clinical trials. NioxMino is easy to use, both for you and your patient. It can be operated in 2 ways: standalone or connected to a PC. First, ask the patient to perform a fast and deep inhalation through the filter to total lung capacity. This process effectively cleans the air from ambient nitric oxide that could otherwise interfere with measurement results. Then, ask the patient to exhale slow and steady through the filter. The procedure can be followed by either audio or visual feedback. Should the exhalation be too strong or too weak, the device will alert you and the patient. A click sound informs you that the measurement was successful. The device will now analyze the sample, and within minutes, you'll have the result. All test results are stored in the NioxMino instrument and can be transferred to a PC at any time for secure documentation and patient data storage. With NioxMino data management software on your computer, it's possible to have a graphical presentation of historical patient data and create printed reports or PDF files. The software is also prepared for direct communication to patient electronic medical record systems. An algorithm helps interpret test results. With NioxMino, you get accurate and quality-assured test results, time after time. This is the easiest way for following airway inflammation. It's made by Erkentt, a company founded by researchers dedicated to accurate nitric oxide measurements. NioxMino from Erkentt for successful control of allergic asthma.